So we are back at the homestead home, and here's a Rheem that's been thrown out. Actually, I have no idea if I can actually take this one or not, cause I don't even know what they're gonna use this for. Let me just try and move this one out of the way. This is a Rheem Classic. It's got a fan motor replacement. It's a scroll. It's a 10 series unit. This one's from 2002. It's a 5-ton. Here's the compressor. It's a Copeland screw. So, I think there used to be a contactor over here. There's the converter to disconnect. And everything like that. Yep. This wasn't a very old Rheem unit, actually. Didn't pretty much last that long. But yeah, here's the compressor. Pretty much metal. I think the reason why the Rheem got replaced is just these coils are corroding. Look at this. Oof. So the Rheem was definitely in a terrible condition. Let me see if I can find a stick to spin off the fan plates. Don't find any sticks in this place. So this unit's dead. It has a bad condition. Don't know where they put all the they pulled out the contactor. Everything's not working anymore. I put that one back just to make sure. Yeah, everything of the coils are corroding to death. This side is not actually, but this side is. These coils are in a terrible condition. So, yep, the Rheem lasted a little longer actually. This is a 2002 Rheem. If only I can take this compressor, or take the whole unit. I should probably ask whoever took this one out and put it in. And yeah, there was I think this was the energy guide or something. Let's see, the fan motor that was replaced a while back was don't know what type of fan motor this is. Well, you know, who needs a dead unit, actually? I could just keep this one. Unscrew everything. I'm not gonna scrap it though. If I will take this unit, I'm not gonna scrap it. So, yeah, this is a dead 2002 5-ton Rheem unit air conditioner. That the reason why it was replaced, it took out because the coils are in bad condition. So, yeah, that's the reason why. Don't know where the heck did they put the contactor. This was a straight coil unit. Everything's in there. The compressor. Yep, this is everything. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching.